Welcome to HeyGen. Here's how you can create spokesperson video in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Pick from 100 plus AI avatars or create your own. Select and customize your AI avatar. Choose an avatar that aligns with your brand's personality. You can customize the avatar's appearance, clothing, and style to reflect your business. Then, select the voice and language that match your script. Test different accents or tones to ensure it sounds natural and professional. Step 2. Write your script, or get a script using ChatGPT or upload audio for the avatar. Prepare a clear and concise message for your video. Whether it's an introduction, tutorial, or marketing content, make sure your script is engaging and tailored to your audience. Keep it short and impactful for the best results. Step 3. Generate your video. Once your avatar and script are ready, adjust the background, fonts, and layout to match your branding, then click Submit. Now grab a coffee, your video will be ready in minutes. Welcome to the future of video creation.